Welcome to Pleb 2 Pro. Let's see how to model and simulate a tablecloth that is falling on a wooden table. Let's reset the scene and start from scratch. Select the cube and change the parameters to 1 on X, 1 on Y, and 0.1 on Z. Move the cube 1 meter on Z. Go to Edit Mode and use the Loop Cut tool to add 4 loops at 0.8 meters distance and minus 0.8 on both directions. Hold down the left click and type the values on the number pad. Go to Face Select and select the 4 corner faces. Then press E to extrude and press the Z axis to specify the axis of the extrusion. Type the minus 0.6 value to have this extruded on that set distance towards the ground plane. The table on the ground floor, select it and translate it to 0.4 meters on the Z axis. Now that we have the table, let's model the tablecloth. Therefore, create a new plane and position it at 1 meter on the Z axis above the ground floor. Select the plane, press Tab, and subdivide the plane multiple times. I would suggest to subdivide it at least 6 or 7 times. Select the table and within the Physics tab, add the collision property. Select the plane and add the cloth property. Now we can press space to simulate the cloth falling on the table. Apply a shaded smooth visualization on the cloth. Then go to the Modifier tab and add a subdivision surface to further add geometry to the plane mesh to improve the cloth material visuals. Press space again to let the simulation play and find the most credible position of the cloth on the table. I will adjust the size of the tablecloth from 2 meters to 1.5 on both sides. Press Ctrl plus A and apply all transformation for the tablecloth. Press space again and see how the modified tablecloth will positioned and deformed on the table. When you are happy with the result, you can consider to add some textures. I will search for a cloth material within the Blender Kit library. Blender Kit offers a great variety of materials. When applying the material, you may need to reset the simulation so that the tablecloth will not be offset. I will search for a wooden texture for the table as well to make the scene more appealing. The UV mapping should be further adjusted so that the fibers of the wood are well represented on the wooden table. For this video, I will just select a different material as a reference, since the main aim of the video is to present cloth simulation. The cloth material can also easily be changed using Blender Kit. Remember to replay the simulation to have the plane align after you swap its material. That's it. You are now less of a pleb. Consider to subscribe for more Pleb to Pro Blender content.